Your question is, if P and Q are the lengths of perpendicular from the origin to the line, this x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta and x sec theta plus y cos sec theta is equal to k respectively. Prove that P square plus 4Q square is equal to k square. Now understand this. What he has told? See this. P and Q are the lengths of perpendiculars from the origin. That means suppose this is your origin 0, 0. So there are two lines which are perpendicular to each other. And they are what? P and Q. These are the Q, the length is P and this is your Q now. Now understand this. To the line this, that means P belongs to this, of this line, that is your x cos theta minus y sin theta is equal to k cos 2 theta, and Q belongs to this line. That's why he has written respectively. So what is that? That is your x sec theta plus y cosec theta, that is equal to k. Now we have to prove this. First we will find out what? The distance between this point. That means suppose this is the line, the distance between this point, and if we take from here the distance of this point, that means we have to take what? The distance between the line and the point. What is that? That we will write. That is your D is equal to modulus of AX plus BY plus C by root over A square plus B square. Now take first this line. What is that? In that A is cos theta. A is equal to cos theta. B is what? B is equal to minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. And C is what? Bring this to this side. So C is minus k cos 2 theta. C is equal to minus k cos 2 theta. Now substitute these values here. What we will get? We will get D is equal to modulus of AX. They have given you AX. That means this and the X. So we will write here cos theta into X is what? 0, 0 plus BY. B is minus sin theta into 0. Y is also 0 plus C, that means this, minus k cos 2 theta by A square root over A square plus B square. That means root over cos square theta plus sin square theta. That means cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. That means this denominator will go. Now what you will get? We will get cos theta into 0 is 0, minus sin theta into 0 is 0, minus k cos 2 theta. So we will get D is equal to modulus of minus k cos 2 theta. that is now modulus is there, that means value will come out. So you will get k cos 2 theta. Now same way we have to do for the second line also. That is your x sec theta plus y cosec theta is equal to k. Now here a is equal to what? A is equal to sec theta. B is equal to cosec theta. And C is equal to minus k. Now substitute these values in D form. We will get the distance is equal to modulus of sec theta into x, that means 0, plus cosec theta into 0 and plus c, that means minus k, that is modulus by root over a square is your sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So what we will get? D is equal to, we get D is equal to minus k, that is modulus by this value, that is your sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Now take out the modulus, what we will get? D is equal to k by root over this sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Now, but we know that the distance are P and Q. That means this D is equal to your P and this D is equal to your. Now substitute these two values in our what we have to prove, that P square plus 4 Q square is equal to K square. So we will take LHS. What is that? That is your P square. That means this square. What is that? K cos 2 theta whole square. K cos 2 theta whole square plus 4 Q square. Q square is this. That means you will get K by root over sec square theta plus cosec square theta whole square. Now solve this. What we will get? We will get here K square and cos square 2 theta plus 4 into K square is K square by, here the square root was there, square हटाओ, क्या होगा आपका sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Now convert this sec to cos and cosec to sec. What we will get? We will get K square here, K square cos square 2 theta plus 4 into K square by this. तो ये आपका क्या आएगा? This will come as 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. Take the LCM. We get K square cos square 2 theta plus 4K square by LCM is K square cos square theta and sin square theta, and here it will come as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now outer to outer multiply it and inner to inner. So this is 4k by 2, that means by 1. So now it will come as what? It will come as like this. K square cos 2 theta plus 4k square. This is 1. Sin square plus cos square is 1. So that means this will come here. So it will come as cos square theta and sin square theta. Now can we write this in the form of different? How? How we can write? We can write it as, if you bring this 4 to here, so we can write it as like this, k square cos 2 theta plus k square, and here you can write 2 sin theta and cos theta. We know the identity of 2 sin theta cos theta. What is that? Sin square 2 theta. So now it will come as like this. K square and this is cos square, cos square. So this is cos square 2 theta plus k square, it will come as sin square 2 theta. Sin square 2 theta. Now you can see what? K square is common. That we will write. K square is common. You will get cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. So if you take 2 theta as A, what you will get? Cos square A plus sin square A is 1. We will get that is equal to now k square into 1, that is equal to k square. Hence proved. ठीक है, तो आपको इसको इस तरह से करना है.